Alright, today we're going to solve these two exponential equations, and we're starting by solving this one. So let's go. If we look at this, we have 3 times 1.8 to the x equals 12 times 0.2 power to the x. And to solve this, we will have to first of all take the constants on one side and everything that has to do with an x on the other side. So I'll start out by dividing by 3 on both sides. So 3 times 1.8 divided by 3 equals 12 times 0.2 to the x divided by 3. So 3 goes to 3 here, and we need an x here, obviously. So 1.8 to the x equal to, and 12 divided by 3, that's 4. So 4 times 0.2 to the x. Right, so now we have 4 times something here, and we need to divide by 0.2x on both sides. So we get 1.8 to the x divided by 0.2 to the x, and that's equal to 4. Now we can use a rule here that if we have a power to c and b power to c, well, that's the same as writing a over b power to c. So if we look at this, we can say, well, this is the same as writing 1.8 divided by 0.2 to the x, and that's still equal to 4. And this fraction, that's 9. So 9 times power to the x equals 4. Now to get this x down, we need to take the logarithm on both sides, and I'll use the natural logarithm. We can use any logarithm, but I'll use the natural one, ln 9 to the x equals ln to 4. Now we can use a logarithm rule, and we know that ln to the a to the b equals b times ln to a. So if we look at this, we can say, well, this is the same as x times ln to 9 equals ln to 4. And to isolate x, we can now say x equals to ln to 4 divided by ln to 9. And this is actually the most accurate answer, but we can also calculate this, and we will get approximately 0.63. And that's it. So 0.63, or this is the answer to this question. Okay, but for this question, we need to use a bit of a different approach, but still we need to have the 3 to the x alone on one of these sides, and I'll try to get it alone on the left side. And I'll start out by moving this -1. So I do that by adding 1 on both sides, and that leaves us with 8 plus 1, that's equal to 9. So 2 to the parentheses 1 plus 3 to the x equals 9. All right, and when we've done that, I could try and multiply 2 to the parentheses, but I could also divide by 2 on both sides, and that would leave me with 1 plus 3 to the x equal 9 divided by 2 equals 4.5. And again, we have plus 1 here, so we can subtract 1 on both sides. So 3 to the x equals 3.5, because I subtracted 1 from here. And again, we can take the logarithm on both sides. ln 3 to the x equals ln 3.5. And we use the same logarithm rule as we used before. So this is the same as x times ln to 3 equals ln to 3.5. So x equals to ln 3.5 divided by ln 3, and that is approximately 1.14. And that was it for these two equations. If you enjoy watching me solving different equations, please have a look at this playlist where I have different videos solving equations like this, but also other types of equations. And remember to subscribe. Thank you.